MG300 is a caulking gun manufactured in Europe by WOLFCRAFT. It is designed to be used with 310 ml tubes and can dispense various materials including silicone, acrylic mass and assembly glues. The automatic drip stop function will prevent the caulk from oozing out. It is made from FRP, which is light, environmental friendly and is a great alternative to traditional metals like aluminium or steel. The ergonomic handle design prevents muscle fatigue, and the newly developed cartridge locking mechanism enables quick and simple cartridge replacement. For more information, go to tme.eu.